Hi everybody, here are 2 quick and easy mods I did for my Makita Floodlight. After that, I'll show you how to do it to yours too. The cord on the light is way too thick and always gets tangled. On top of that, the storage hooks are way too small, so the cord never stays neatly coiled. I ended up cutting off most of the cord and putting on a new plug. Because there's no diffuser, the LED array can create a harsh light and a shadow ribboning effect that I find distracting. It can also be painful to look at while it's on. I added a photography grade LED diffuser to the lens, and now the shadows are much softer and it's not quite as unpleasant to look at the light while it's on. Installing the plug is pretty easy. Just cut the cord to your desired length, strip back the wires, and then screw everything into place on the plug. The plug only cost me $3 at Home Depot, and I didn't need to disassemble the light, so this mod is pretty easy. Adding the diffuser required disassembling the light. I was originally planning to do something a little more drastic with the cord, which is why you see me taking it apart. But I got lazy and just put on a new plug. If you do plan on removing the cord, it is only attached with 2 crimp connectors. The lens array comes apart pretty easily once you have removed all the screws. The diffusing material that I purchased comes in sheets that are 1/16 of an inch thick. The dimensions for the interior of the lens are 5 3/4 inches by 5 inches with a corner radius of 3/8 of an inch. I glued the diffuser onto the lens and made sure to weigh it down so that there weren't any creases once the glue dried. From there, it's just reversing all the steps to put the light back together. As you can see, the back of the light is a lot cleaner now that I've trimmed down the cord, and the diffuser does a good job conditioning the light and removing the shadow ribboning that I found unpleasant. It also gives the light a slightly warmer color temperature, and overall the mods are really easy to do and in total cost me about $15. Thanks for watching.